Hi, myself Santosh Ambore. Today I will explain you how I have drawn the famous cartoon that is Mowgli. So I have done the recording of it and in shortly I'm going to explain you how I have done that. So I have increased the speed of this play. For drawing the part, I have used the spine tool and while selecting the region I have used the fill region. You can see in the right corner, I have used the rectangle as a white background and in the upper spine 032 is the here region. You can see that a rectangle in front of a this rectangle and a new spine tool you can have a region there. So while selecting you should take the care of it. So I have drawn the hairs of Mowgli with the help of spine tool. I have done the closing and with the help of these tangents now I'm going to have a loop or curves a smooth curve to the hair of Mowgli. So I'm stretching with the help of a internal orange dots and with the help of a green dots I'm trying to give a proper shape to the hairs. So and I'm trying to give somewhat a correct approximate close look to the hairs. As you are going to twist the tangents, there might be the thing that it may have a twist as it is in showing in shoulder. So you need to take care of it. You need to rotate in a, again in a proper way so that you can have a close curve, or if you are forming a corner, move in other direction. Now somewhat it is looking the gears of a Mowgli. Here it is having a twist. You can see that. As a practice, you will understand that how it's going to be. For doing this, now again I am selecting the spine tool, and you can see that in right corner I have selected the layer type as the region. Now for drawing the face, I have selected the from internal part of the hairs. So a simple logic is that this all the things are as a region. Means if you are going to have the number of photos, the simple logic is that if you are going to have number of photos and you are going to keep each photo on each other on the table, at the top you are going to have the photos which are visible and it is going to hide the photos which are at the lower part. In the similar way, now my ears are at the top region. You can see at spine, new spine 032 is my hair region and new spine 033 is the face region. Better you give the names to it. I haven't given the names, but if you give the names you will understand that what I'm saying. So face region is below the hair region. So whatever the hairs are coming, those are hiding this face part. So this is the simple logic. And if while drawing you are having the problem that uh, some of the part of what your image you have selected or some of the shape you have selected and it is hiding, then just concentrate on the at the right corner, right lower corner, where you need to properly manage the region, which layer should be at above which layer. So this is the ear part. I haven't selected the ear part. I should have, but I will include it with the lower region of the body. During that, I will consider this ears of both side. You can zoom in, zoom out so that it will look like that. For doing this is my second animation, but I have tried for this because this is my favorite cartoon. You can go for the simple one as you like and just draw it. It is simple one instead of I prefer this because on the notebook once you have drawn you can't or you need to erase it again, but in this part it is good part of this Synfig studio that you can elongate it, you can erase it, you can do the number of things with what you are drawn. If you don't like, you can even delete it. Now this is the approximate body part of the Mowgli I'm drawing. Just I have guessed it whether it is right or wrong. After drawing, then I will do the proper. I will go for the proper uh, movement of this orange part and the green. I have done the close loop in this part. Now I have just drawn the approximate parts of the ears. I have included ears here. Ears are not the part of the face, but front person will not understand that what I have done. But it depends on totally upon you. So it is very simple. So don't get confused. It is very simple to draw. Now whatever the approximate part I have drawn, I am trying to give it more correct locations to those dot, and whatever the ear on the other side, it is very small and it is not a proper one. I will give a correct movement or correct movement to this these dots, or the proper shape to the that ears. This is backside ears. Again, a loop is formed. You can see that again, a spine tool with a close region I have used. In the right corner, you can see that only the rectangle is there and remaining parts are just a close region. You can apply the number of things. Whatever the ears are, it is the proper, it should have proper lobe of hair. It is not a corner. So now with the help of this tangent I have done that. Now it looks alike. Now you can see that there is white color or corner left in between the arms. So you need to zoom in and then you need to do the changes in it. So here I have done that so that it should look a real one. Zooming and zoom out, it will help you to remove the minor mistakes. So now it looks a real part. Now the gear which is on the other side, it is not a proper one. So I will zoom in and do the proper one with help of tangent. And there is a simple logic that as you are looking from other side, the hair of here on the other side, if you are seeing from one of the side of the body, then other ear or the other part will be look smaller. You can see that. Now the simple logic here is at the top, spine 32, then a face is after that, and the lower body part is at a lowest one. You can see that region 032, which is here, which I created, region 33, which were the face, then region 34 was the body part, and the region 35 is nothing but the ears of the backside. Now also I have created the chest part with the spine tool, so that instead of using the pencil or brush, I use this part because for the future animations I can do the modifications in the shape instead of going for the lines. This normal shape or shades will give the 3D effect, as it is a normal plane. If I'm not going to add the shades or the lining, then it will look like a simple plane. So as I'm going to apply the shade to the chest and the stomach, the collarbone, it will create a 3D effect, that as if he's standing in front of me, or he's having the uh, illusion that chest part is front and the stomach is somewhat bend, or he's bending, he's waiting for something, or he's bending. Firstly, when I draw it, it was looking as a plane, so it was not having a proper effect. So shades are important. As this should not be proper corner, so I have given a rotations to it and a curve I have applied. You need to have patience for it. As I took 1 hour for drawing this, you need also the patience for it drawing, and it depends on you how much time. If you are a expert, then you can take only the 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It depends on your practice. And those who are having the habit of using the computer or mouse, they can easily do it, or others also can do. But thing is that, as drawing with the help of pencil and on the pages we use the fingers, but using the mouse is somewhat different skill, but it is very simple. If you start, you can easily do it. Small kids can also do this, a professional persons can also do this. Now you can have somewhat 3D look with this one. I'm trying to increase as if it is looking that my hand is coming from this chest part. So it looks, now it is having the somewhat 3D effect. Collar part is remaining. I will add the collar part. This, whatever the area is selected, is the lower body part, so don't get confused that face is getting wrong. Face region is totally different, as this body region is coming down from the down part of this face region. That's fine. Now as I select the face region, you will have that effect. Now I'm selecting the eyebrows. I'm drawing the eyebrows for this. The eyes of Mowgli are, and the eyebrows are not as if a real person. It is somewhat hexagonal and pentagon. You can see that I'm trying to draw it. For the beginners, my uh, suggestion is that unless it is drawn totally, don't get upset, because while drawing your face, face of that cartoon or any of the cartoon you are trying to draw, it may get wrong somewhat, or assume it as that it is new character and you go on it, because as if you are going to draw it the first time, second time, sometimes it may happen that the character may look different. So assume that it as a new character and take it as a right one and do the operations. The practice will help you to draw the things. This is my ninth animation. Already first animation I have uploaded, it was simple one. Then I, as Mowgli is my favorite cartoon, so I switched to this one. So I'm drawing the eyes. Unless the whole image is completed, it won't look a proper one. So if you are going to try to guess the things, it may create some negative impact, or you may have some that laziness that I'm doing something different or wrong thing. So wait for a proper moment. And one thing is that you can change the locations of these images as well as the positions. Now the upper eyebrow I have just started with the corner. I again need to refine it and elongate it somewhat. So this is my second animation, second character making or video making. If I'm a new one for this, if you want to give any suggestion to me, you can give suggestions. I will try to make the new videos for you. As I said, the eyes are broader, some hexagon type. Unless I add the all the images part, it will not look the right one. So just wait for it, and at the ending you will have the feel that this is a real matching with a Mowgli type character or somewhat closer to it. Now eyes are not a straight one. In the cartoon, they are only showing the nose part. So whenever you are going to have the character, this type of characters, only go for the nostril parts. As the fill color was white, so it has selected a white one. There's a corner one. I need to have a tangents and then change the modifications. Do the modification in it. You can see that as I select the lower part, it is selecting the that region. I've selected the color of that collarbone so that the same shade I can apply here. Otherwise, it may look a different one. So same shading is applied at the number of parts. It is corner, so I need to have a tangent and give a smooth curve to it. Otherwise, the nose of Mowgli would look like as it is a sharp one. And this is the image where the Mowgli is angry on someone. I think it is Sher Khan. So it's now the mouth of the Mowgli, which I need to show with a white color. Now you will have the feel of it. Okay. Unless you draw all in proportion, you won't get it. Because when I started with the eyes, it was looking something different. And as I'm going to add the eyes dark internal part with some shade to it, it will give the effect. Now this is the lower lips part, which is only shown with the shades, normal shade. So I will elongate it with, because the lips should, it is acting as a shade part is acting as a lips part, lower lips part area, lower to that lips part. Okay, now it's looking well. So I will elongate it. Okay. Now the problem is that the face region and the lower part of the body region, this corner I need to add there so that I will understand the face. So, so I have intentionally colored the lower part with the dark to understand that the face is this one. Otherwise, it won't differentiate. I have added again the spine tool with the field region, and I'm going to add a shade as I added to the lower abdominal, chest, collarbone, nose, and to the lower chin part. So same here I'm going to do to add the part, because this region may be helpful for me when I want to show the shade lower to the lower neck, lower part, so that it can I can somewhat broad it. Now I'm going to thin it. While applying it, check that it should be the curve, proper curve. This mouth you can in animation close and open, number of things you can do. Even you can move the face upside down. So you need to add only the shapes, the region, that to be region. In upcoming session, I will show you that how the Mowgli is talking, or he is doing, he is changing expression, or as if the hairs of Mowgli are blowing away. Now you can see that it is having a normal corner. Now it will show that the face is somewhat different than that of a body part. Now you can see. Zoom in and zoom out so that you will understand what's going on. Now we will concentrate on the eyes. Eyes are the important part, and even we need to add the shade below the eyes and the eyebrow, where the wrinkles at the upper forehead show that he is angry. Again same I have done, but in the I have selected the circle, but I have selected the region part. Now instead of going doing in the images, I have drawn this circle outside, so that any modifications I am doing, it will not affect the internal one. For a while I have selected. Okay, now still it is not looking a proper one, it is looking somewhat different, but the eyes internal black part, that is also a hexagonal, that is pentagon somewhat shape is there. So I'm trying to guess that one and I'm going to draw that one. This software is very good, you can prefer it. Number of things you can do. You can see that the eyes, they are proper in between, white color is left, so I concentrated on that part, and then I did started with this eyes. You can see now still there is somewhat gap, so I'm closing that gap, it should not white look. Now this eyes is right one. Okay, still it is having some effect. The missing part is that reflection. Okay, we need to add that reflection. We'll concentrate on other eye. Here a total black color is not used, a, a dark brown color is used. Still some one of the eyes having the problem. Now as I'm going to add the white color, will it will have the effect. Then we'll have the changes, somewhat changes. I have given a other color so that I can do the modifications here in white part. While placing, I will give some different color so that it I will understand this part is placed. I have replicated with the help of right clicking and duplicate the layer. If you want to create any of the layer, right click on that particular layer and duplicate it. And while selecting, select the green part and use the arrow part for selection. Okay, now there is somewhat effect. Now he's looking like a Mowgli. I will change the color to totally white. Now you can see that it is looking a Mowgli. Some modifications, that is spaces of the eyes need to modify. Okay, now it is modified because shape it was looking somewhat different. Now it is looking right. Hope you are getting that. It is looking close to that of Mowgli cartoon. You can do. Now one of the thing is that shades. I will try to add the shades to it. As I said, I elongated the eyebrows because it were normal small. I have changed the angular part to into a normal shape. Now this is the part where it is having the corner and the forehead to indicate that he is angry, and his mouth is also open. His white part showing that he is showing the teeth. You can give much darker color to these shades because as you are going long distance, you don't understand. But as we are going to do the animation, it will be somewhat closer. Now the lower part of the eyes. If you like this video, please like my video or write the comments what you think about the video I have done or any modifications if you expect. I'm trying to change the background color as the Mowgli was staying in the jungle, so I will try to give the other color. Now the problem was that I was unable to save, but it was saved, so no issue was there for this animation. It is already saved. I tried number of times to save it. So I gave the green color to it. I have rendered it. As I select the frames, now I you can give a finishing moment to it so that it will have the look. Now you can see that he is looking immobile. You can draw such a number of things. It was having the problem of saving, but when I opened it, it was saved. So the color of green was somewhat darker, so I changed it and I gave it this color. So hope you like this video. I took nearly 1 hour and 30 minutes for drawing this